Welcome everybody to our Bay Area Housing Market Town Hall. I just want to remind everybody, go to our YouTube channel. You're already on YouTube, then please do subscribe. We consistently trying to put out a lot of videos. Today, this is our 36th episode already. So hopefully you guys can continue to support us and subscribe to our channel. If you want to follow us and really continue to get more updates about our company, do go to our Facebook page, or you can go to our Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. All right, the Bay Area Housing Market Stats always compare 4 counties: Santa Clara, San Mateo, Alameda, and Contra Costa counties. And we look at the months of inventory. We've been having, consistently going up on the months of inventory to peak at July. I think we have been talking about for the last few months, around June, we think the market's going to slow down. The summer is the best time to buy. Now that we look back, July was truly the best time. There was pretty much no movements at all. 2.1 is not that bad, but still, there was just so little movement at the time. I do know that a lot of buyers were able to get really good deals. October, we have not had a full month's data yet. Right now it's at 3.5. But once we finish out the month, we might have a different numbers, just like September. Last month we looked at was 4.7, I think. But now that the whole month was over, it came back down to 1.7, which is much less than July. And then in terms of the median days to sell, we have come down a little bit to 18 days on the market. And then in terms of how competitive it is, it's just right around asking price right now. We talk about a number of listings withdrawn or canceled. And as you know, that around May, all of a sudden we saw this shoot up in numbers of listings withdrawn or canceled because everybody was just so shocked about the market change. But in September, we start seeing a little bit less listings being withdrawn or canceled. And then list price decrease, same thing. As you see list price decrease, Santa Clara County, we see 561 compared to 688 listings last month. We do have a little bit more still in San Mateo County, but we do have less in Alameda County and also Contra Costa County. We definitely see an uptick on activities as soon as the summer was over. In September, we saw quite a bit of buyers came back onto the market. Not a lot like the beginning of the year, don't get me wrong, but it was not, I almost want to use the word dead in July because even we had open houses, sometimes nobody even come in. But then now September came back and the market definitely has come back a little bit. We also have less transactions fell through in September compared to August. And then in terms of the median price range, Santa Clara County has come down from 1.65 last month to $1.58 million. San Mateo County, it actually gone up a little bit from 1.74 last month to $1.8 million. And Alameda County from $1.2 million up to 1.215. And then Contra Costa County from $875,000 did go down to $835,000. In terms of offer, the Battleground, these are some of the offers we've seen. It's really, really, really extreme right now on some of the markets. Depends on the locations. If you have really good locations in terms of good school district, is close to offices like Cupertino, Sunnyvale, but you have good schools. It doesn't have any deficiency as if you are on a major road, you don't have a bad floor plan, then your property still have multiple offers and can still sell above asking price. But if your property have some kind of deficiencies, bad floor plan, missing a garage, or the floor plan just doesn't make sense, and if your location is not as good, then all of a sudden your property just sitting on the market for a long time. So we definitely see quite a drastic difference between those type of properties. So as an example, look at Sunnyvale. There you go, 41 offers for this property, single family homes, and it's sold just below $2.6 million cash offer. And for that property, the highest wasn't even 2.6. The highest was actually 2.68, but they took a cash offer because they didn't want to take the risk of taking a finance offers. But then you've seen that, for example, something like a single family in Central San Jose doesn't have a very good school district, even though they received numerous offers because of the less ideal floor plan. All the offers are below asking price. So these are some of the examples for you guys to reference and to understand how the market works right now. All right. And lastly, before we go to talk to our speaker today, these are the mortgage projections from different agencies. And the one that I kind of blow my mind right now is Mortgage Bankers Association. It just seems like their projection is still so low compared to, even though they had already gone up in terms of comparing last month projection to this month, their mortgage rate is still really low. Same thing for Freddie Mac. Although I have to say Freddie Mac, this one is from July. So I guess they were still a little bit behind. But Fannie Mae, in September, their projections is like high fives. But what we can see is that they all believe that about 2023, 3Q, 4Q is kind of coming back down. National Association of Realtors seems to be the most in line with what's happening right now. 2022, 6%. They believe that 2023 1Q is going to go up to 6.5%. And then 2023 2Q, 6.4, and 3Q, 6.3, and then 6.1% on the mortgage rates. Thank you again for tuning in. And then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any real estate purchasing information or other information about home buying, please do contact us. Bye-bye.